Okay, now we have a new situation where you actually have to solve each triangle. And what that means when they give you a little bit of information is you have to know all of the information. So this side over here is B. This side opposite angle A is side A. And then we need to know this angle. We don't know angle B. And we know angle C is 90 degrees. So let's write down what we know. We know that angle A is 53 degrees. We know that angle C is 9 degrees. Oh, so we know that 180 degrees subtract 90 degrees, which is 90, subtract 53 degrees should leave us with 37 degrees. So we know that angle B is 37 degrees. So that's just by doing the math, basic math. This would have been like 7th grade math. The sum of three angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees. All right, now that we know what theta is, let me go ahead and erase the theta sign, or angle B. We can go ahead and put 37. All right, now we need to know side A. So we also need to know, so we need to find side A, side A and side B. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have angle A, and we have, so I think what we're going to do, since we have angle A, we're going to go ahead and find side A first. So we're going to do what we did in the last video, I think. We're just going to set up the ratio. So the sine of angle A, which is 53 degrees, is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine of any angle is the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So sine of 53 degrees, we don't know the opposite side, so we'll go ahead and put A, but we do know the hypotenuse, which is 11. I'll put the units later. We can just multiply both sides by 11 and then type that into the calculator. So we have 11 sine, whoops, I have to clear that out. I forgot. With these calculators, you have to do a little bit backwards. 11 times 53 sine. So 8.78, and I'm going to round to the nearest 8, so 8.8. So let's see if this works. So about 8.8. Let's see if we can do the math and see if all of this will work. So if this side is about 8.8, we know that 8.8 squared plus b squared is equal to 11 squared. We can subtract the 8.8 squared from both sides to figure out what b squared is. So I'll type that into my calculator. 11 squared subtract 8.8 squared is 43.56. And I'm going to take the square root of 43.56. And that's going to give b is about 6.6. The other way we can do it is use 37. So we can say, I'll do all of this in red. The sine of 37 degrees is equal to, opposite now, b over 11. Again, multiply both sides by 11. And when we type that in, 11 sine 37. We get, it rounds to 6.6. There we have it. So either way you want to do that, that is how you solve all of the missing pieces. Let's see what we have. We have the length of this side, in centimeters, centimeters. So where do we put the equal? Is about 6.6 centimeters. Centimeters, degrees. Of course, this is 90. All right, we're done.